Toyota is building a compact unibody pickup based on the RAV4, and it could be the most practical truck decision you make in the next few years. If you've been eyeing the Ford Maverick but haven't pulled the trigger yet, you'll want to hear what's coming before you sign anything. Most people assume Toyota's only answer to the compact truck market is another body-on-frame workhorse, but this RAV4-based pickup is something entirely different, and it's shaping up to offer more value, more efficiency, and more everyday livability than anything else in the segment. Number 7. Passenger-friendly pickup. For years, truck buyers who wanted something smaller and more practical faced a frustrating reality. Body-on-frame compacts like the Tacoma were built for punishment, not comfort, and the daily commute showed it. The Ford Maverick changed that equation entirely when it launched, proving that a unibody pickup could be smooth, livable, and genuinely useful without asking the driver to suffer for it. Think about what most compact truck owners actually do with their vehicles. They drive to work, they pick up groceries, they haul the occasional piece of furniture on a Saturday morning. That kind of ownership doesn't need a heavy-duty frame underneath it. It needs a platform that rides well, parks easily, and doesn't punish you every time the road gets rough. That's exactly where a RAV4-based pickup lands. Toyota's North American CEO has confirmed the truck is actively being pursued, describing it as a real opportunity the brand is committed to. For buyers who've wanted Toyota's reliability in a friendlier, more car-like package, that confirmation alone is reason enough to pay attention. And a truck that rides like a crossover is only worth waiting for if it also looks the part, which brings us to reason number 6. Number 6. Attractive design. One thing the compact unibody segment hasn't always delivered is strong visual identity. The Maverick splits opinion, and the Hyundai Santa Cruz has never fully shed its crossover with a bed look. The RAV4 pickup is going to arrive with a clear visual direction because it will draw directly from the design language of the all-new 6th generation RAV4. That new RAV4 generation is one of the boldest designs Toyota has produced in years. Distinctive hammerhead headlights, a sharp new grille, muscular wheel arches, and a more upright stance give it a presence that reads as genuinely purposeful rather than just trendy. The pickup version is going to carry that same front-end identity, and while radical departures aren't anticipated, the overall package should look tougher and more planted than anything currently available in the class. As for the body style, Crew Cab will be the only configuration on offer, which keeps things focused and practical for the buyers this truck is actually targeting. Good looks will get people into the showroom, but what sits under the hood is what will keep them there, and that's where things get genuinely interesting. Number 5. Excellent hybrid powertrain. Here's something the competition can't say easily. This pickup will arrive as a hybrid from day one, with no gas-only alternative on the table. That's a deliberate, confident decision, and the engineering behind it backs that confidence up completely. Most buyers who've owned a hybrid pickup before will tell you the same thing. The moment you merge onto a highway fully loaded or try to maintain speed on a long uphill grade is the moment a weak powertrain reveals itself. That hesitation, that flat mid-range response, it's the kind of thing that makes you question whether you bought the right truck. The RAV4 pickup isn't going to put buyers in that position. The system comes straight from the new RAV4, producing up to 236 horsepower in standard hybrid form or 324 horsepower in plug-in hybrid configuration, output that delivers real, confident performance in a compact pickup body. Toyota's hybrid technology has also been refined over nearly 3 decades of real-world use. Reliability isn't a question mark here. It's the reason buyers choose this brand. Getting that same proven system in a pickup body is a significant advantage the Maverick hybrid, for all its strengths, still can't fully replicate in terms of long-term durability and brand trust. But a powertrain this strong deserves an interior that matches it, and as it turns out, that's exactly what Toyota is planning. Number 4. Attractive interior design. The cabin is where compact trucks often fall short. Hard plastics, cramped layouts, and infotainment systems that feel like afterthoughts. These are the things that remind buyers they bought a budget truck. The RAV4 pickup won't have that problem. Because the interior will follow the same design path as the new RAV4, buyers can expect a genuinely well-executed cabin. One that puts quality materials, clear ergonomics, and modern aesthetics ahead of cost-cutting shortcuts. The 6th generation RAV4 brought a fully digital instrument cluster, a large portrait-style touchscreen, and cabin refinements that put it ahead of most compact crossover rivals. That same foundation carries directly into the pickup. Anyone who spends 40 minutes each way in a vehicle knows how much the interior actually matters. The seat that starts starts to feel wrong after 20 miles. The screen that requires 3 taps to do something simple. The cabin fatigue that builds up quietly until the drive home becomes something you dread. The RAV4 Pickup addresses all of that before it becomes a problem, because it's built around a platform designed with daily comfort as a core priority, not an optional upgrade. A refined interior is one thing, but refinement alone won't satisfy buyers who also need their truck to work, and that's exactly where the next reason picks up. Number 3. Efficient yet capable. Fuel efficiency tends to be the headline with hybrid pickups, and for good reason. But efficiency without capability is just a talking point, and the RAV4 Pickup is going to have both. The same hybrid system that delivers strong combined fuel economy in the RAV4 SUV carries that efficiency into the truck without stripping out the capability side of the equation. All-wheel drive enabled by a rear-mounted electric motor will be available, giving this pickup real traction when the road runs out, and for buyers who need to pull weight, the most capable configurations are expected to reach a maximum towing rating of 5,000 pounds. That puts it ahead of the standard Maverick hybrid and squarely in contention with more traditional compact offerings. Hauling a boat, towing a small trailer, loading the bed for a weekend project. This truck will handle the practical side of ownership without making every trip to the pump feel like a financial decision. Capability covers what the truck can do, but what about everything it puts at your fingertips while doing it? Because the technology story here is just as compelling. Number 2. Tech loaded. The RAV4 has long been one of the most tech-forward vehicles at its price range, and that reputation is going to follow this pickup directly off the assembly line. The TNGA-K platform it rides on was engineered with modern connectivity and safety integration built in from the ground up, not added on afterward. There's a specific kind of frustration that comes with buying a truck in this price range and discovering that the features you actually use every day, adaptive cruise, lane assist, wireless CarPlay, are buried in an options package you didn't know you needed until you're already on the highway. The RAV4 Pickup sidesteps that problem entirely. Expect the full current suite of Toyota Safety Sense, which includes a significantly upgraded pre-collision system with broader detection capability, refined lane recognition, and an adaptive cruise control setup that manages speed changes with noticeably more smoothness than its predecessors. The latest infotainment generation brings improved graphics, faster response, and seamless wireless smartphone integration, while a configurable digital instrument cluster rounds out a technology package that most trucks in this class simply can't match at the same price point. And speaking of price, that's where this truck makes its most persuasive argument yet. Number 1. Attractive price and excellent value. The RAV4 Pickup is still in development, and Toyota has been clear that it takes time to get something like this right. Expect the truck to reach dealerships within roughly 2 to 3 years. But when pricing details start to emerge, the early signals are hard to ignore. Base models are about to start at around $30,000, which is a figure that positions this pickup directly between the entry-level Maverick and the more expensive body-on-frame competition. Given what that price buys, a proven hybrid powertrain, a refined interior rooted in one of Toyota's most popular platforms, meaningful towing capacity, and a full modern tech suite, the value proposition is difficult to dismiss. Most trucks at this price point ask buyers to compromise somewhere significant. The RAV4 Pickup, based on everything known about the platform it shares, looks like it's going to be the exception to that rule. For anyone in the market for a compact unibody truck, the case for patience is getting stronger by the month. What makes the RAV4 Pickup genuinely worth the wait isn't any single feature. It's how everything stacks up together. A proven hybrid powertrain with real-world reliability behind it. A cabin built to the standard of one of Toyota's most popular platforms. Towing capability that goes beyond what most buyers in this segment expect. Technology that arrives standard rather than hidden behind option packages. And a starting price that keeps all of it within reach. The compact unibody truck market has been waiting for a credible Toyota answer for years. And based on everything pointing toward this pickup, that answer is finally taking shape. But Toyota isn't the only one that's soon about to join the compact pickup segment. Several other companies are doing the same, including Mazda and its super affordable pickup, which you can check out in our next video. With the sticker price of just $18,000, it has the potential to change the pickup truck landscape completely.